Debra. I was a patient representative on NICE's committee assessing digital platforms for cardiac rehabilitation. The NICE committees are made up of all different sorts of medical professionals and people from NICE itself. And there are so many things that go into the guidelines or the assessments, but no one can understand the process as well as a patient. And although as a patient representative, you're not there to represent all patients, just to give your own point of view, it just really helps sometimes to have someone that has seen it from the patient's side and understands what the patient's going through. And also to say when things don't make sense or when there's information that's quite complex, they just need someone to say, actually, you think that's important for the patient, but this is also important, and this is the thing that really helped me, and this is the thing that really made a difference to me. And so being able to put that point of view across, I think is so important, and it's great that NICE include patients. So I was very passionate about making sure that digital wasn't the only offering, because for me personally, digital would not have been right, and I needed it to be in person. So I was really keen to be involved in this to get both of those points across. It's such an important thing to do, so you can get across your experience, because the medical professionals are amazing and so good, but they don't have that lived experience. They don't always understand what makes a difference for you as a patient. So if you can get involved, it's really an interesting thing to do as well. It's a good thing to do, and it's interesting, and you get to learn a lot about the process that goes into these things, which otherwise can seem a bit of a mystery and you don't really understand why certain decisions are made. It really helps to understand the process and to really be the voice of the patient, so that the patient is always central to all the decisions that are made. I think it's really important.